This is the letter E. E for egg. E for earth. E for envelope. E for eye. E for ear. E for earrings. E for eagle. E for elephant. E for earthworm. E for engine. E for eraser. E for eight. Egg, earth, envelope. Eye, ear, earrings. Eagle, elephant, earthworm. Engine, eraser, egg. This is the family of letter